Inventory is defined as a complete list of on-hand items. Inventory in this program also means an array of parts handling features that are included to manage stocked items, as well as many one-time pass-through parts ordered electronically or entered manually. The inventory module tracks the quantity of parts added into the shop by vendor purchases and out of the shop through invoices. By creating part records, the inventory system can better track sales activity and suggest stocking levels through expanded reporting. To meet current repair order needs, stocked inventory is checked first. If the on-hand quantities are insufficient or different one-time parts are needed, this data will drive the purchase order process, which is detailed in other get-to-know clips. This video is primarily about search and transfer with an overview of features on the inventory list screen. It is used in two different ways. When accessed from an order, it's used to locate and select items to be transferred back into the order. Accessed from the inventory menu or icon, the inventory list is where new part records are added or file maintenance on items is performed. We'll use the menu access first to discuss features in general, and later show typical inventory access from an active order. Search criteria. By including a search filter such as vendor, category, description, part number information, that list can be reduced, making it easier to zero in on that item that you're looking for. If you run a search for an item you absolutely know you have and the results are no record found, take a closer look at your search criteria to make sure you're not asking for a combination that doesn't exist. Just enter the portion you feel certain about. Suppose you wanted to see what you had in a particular range of parts. You could enter a partial part number, and search would deliver all records that contain that string of characters. Pressing clear resets all fields to run a new search. Please note that a wildcard character, the %sign, is available to help. Enter %sign filter in description and run search. The resulting list of parts includes filter somewhere in the description field. The wildcard can also be used in the part number field as well as other fields in the program to locate information. This print function is handy to create your own custom parts list by first filtering with some combination of these search parameters above. Copy allows users to select an existing part record to create a new inventory item. Simply change the field values that are different and then click OK to save it. Update allows making changes to a range of records selected by using the filters above. There's a video clip dedicated to this. Add, edit, and delete functions allow access to create, modify, or remove part records. The transfer process starts from the order screen by clicking on Parts to open the Order Item Entry Parts window. This is where you might type in a known part number or a new one-time part. In this instance, an item from the inventory list needs to be found. Click on that inventory button to open the inventory list screen. Clicking on Search by itself will cause a list of all part records to display. Because we arrived here by way of an open repair order, there was a transfer button to use. If inventory list had been chosen from the inventory menu, there would be no transfer button because the program sees no association to an order and sees your action as being strictly inventory file maintenance. Now that the part has been located, use the transfer button to copy it back to Order Item Entry Parts window. The program puts the cursor on the next likely decision to be made, which is the quantity to use. Change the quantity, or if one is sufficient, click on Done. The inventory part is now on the order.